Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your LinkedIn Learning subscription, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your LinkedIn Learning subscription, begin by visiting the LinkedIn Learning website. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the LinkedIn Learning homepage. Look for your profile icon, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Settings from the options provided. In the Settings menu, find the Subscription tab. Click on the Subscription tab to view your current plan. Here, you will see details about your existing subscription. Review the different subscription tiers available for upgrade. Choose the subscription level that best fits your learning needs. After selecting your desired plan, click the Upgrade button. Review the payment details required for the upgrade. Enter your payment information as prompted on the screen. Confirm your payment details to proceed with the upgrade. Once the transaction is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Your LinkedIn Learning subscription will now be upgraded. You can start accessing the enhanced features right away. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.